Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Fortnite is available on Samsung Galaxy A54. And to do this, you can either download Epic Games Launcher from the Epic Game Store website or check for the Samsung dedicated Play Store, Galaxy Store here. And let's start with that. Here, if we try to find Fortnite, we can get the Epic Games Launcher and then open it. There's a Fortnite and we can actually play it as it's downloaded, so that means you can play Fortnite on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.